In this video, I will show you how to create eBay account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to create your eBay account, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the official eBay website. For myself in the UK, that's ebay.co.uk. Now, once you come across to the website, if you look in the top left-hand corner, you should see an option to register. So what you want to do is give that a click. And then what you can do is create your account. So you have got the option to continue with a Google, Facebook or Apple account, or you can just create one from scratch. Also, you need to select if you want to create a private account or a business account. In this example, we're just going to be creating a personal private eBay account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is enter your details such as your first and last name, email, and you want to choose a password. Once you've done that, you'll be taken back to the eBay homepage, and we're now currently logged in. What you want to do is finish completing your account setup. So to do that, come up to the top left hand corner, hover over your name, and from this drop down window, come down and click onto account settings. Now at this point, there's a few details you need to put in to complete your account information. So first of all, you need to put your account info in. Once you've done that and entered your phone number, come down and click the blue continue button at the bottom. After adding your contact information, your account is now set up and good to go. So you can start using eBay as normal, building up your feedback and selling and buying on eBay. So that's how to create eBay accounts. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.